Can you guess what fear I hear most from people reinventing themselves? The fear of failure. We are so worried and anxious about failing, especially when we're leaping into the complete unknown with no idea if we'll fall or fly. Most of the time, a lot of this fear comes from how we'll be perceived by our friends, family, and colleagues if things don't go to plan. I know because I remember so vividly when I had just handed in my notice in my corporate job and everyone asked, "Where are you going next?" And I replied, "I have no idea." I could see the fear in their eyes for me. Did I picture everything that could possibly go wrong? Of course, I'm human after all. I was the queen of catastrophizing, especially as someone that naturally spends a lot of time thinking about the future. I didn't have to be reminded by everyone around me about how much I was risking and what I was leaving behind. But I had to be prepared to lose it all in order to get what I really wanted. One of the mindset tools that really worked for me in this reinvention process was learning to look at failure through a different lens. Not as a defeat, but as a lesson, an experience that would teach me and help me grow. Did I fail in my reinvention? Absolutely not. I got to where I wanted to be. But did I experience failure in that 5-year journey? For sure. I was the co-founder of a business that ended before it could even get off the ground. I had to take a few months off work due to health reasons, and I was part of driving a global movement that eventually died out. But here are two really interesting things that happened. Firstly, these failures redirected my attention to the things that were important. And secondly, I gained new and transferable skills, built my network, and gained knowledge because of these failures. So that's really the key here. Prepare to fail, and don't think about failure as a loss, but as a disguised win in the long run.